Happy Sunday, y'all. Today we have some pound cake waffles, so let's go ahead and get into the recipe. We're going to start off with half cup of softened butter with 1 cup of sugar. We're going to blend that well, adding in our eggs one at a time. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Add in all of your flavorings, whichever ones you choose. Move on to your dry ingredients, which is 1.5 cups of flour mixed in with half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. Also, make sure you have your half cup of buttermilk. You need to add in your flour mixture, 3 parts to 2-part buttermilk. I hope that makes sense. I should have showed it just so it can make sense all together, but this is what you should have after 45 seconds in the waffle maker. Voila. And I'm going to go ahead and add some eggs into this breakfast. Also, some turkey sausage and bacon. Just because my husband does not eat bacon, this is what I have for him, and then this is my plate. And happy Sunday, y'all. This is what we're having for breakfast. Well, bye.